These investigators were three of many who searched Frederica Wagner's 2,000-acre horse farm today. Wagner is the mother of Pike County murder suspect Billy Wagner. He, his wife Angela, and their two sons, George and Jake, are accused of killing 8 members of the Roden family in 2016. Investigators accused Frederica Wagner of lying about 2 bulletproof vests she bought online. She was charged with obstruction of justice and perjury, but prosecutors asked that the case against her be dismissed without prejudice in June. The phrase "without prejudice" is key because it means the state could charge Wagner again. With that possibility looming, a dozen agents from Ohio's Bureau of Criminal Investigation, including this man, executed a search warrant at Wagner's Flying W farm. A BCI spokesman declined to say what investigators hope to find or whose name is on the search warrant. Now, I spent time today talking to Frederica Wagner's daughter. She told me Flying W Farms was closed during today's search, but that her mother was home. She also said her entire family is innocent. Reporting in Pike County, Todd Dykes, WLWT News 5.